I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing authorization. Do not touch equipment until cleared. Call the utility, request an official service application, and schedule a site inspection. This prevents disputes and safety violations. Simultaneously, hire a licensed electrician and request proof of license and insurance because utilities require licensed work for meter connections. Once those items are in motion, make sure to document permit numbers and expected inspection dates. This creates a clear legal trail and avoids penalties. Or you coordinate the team, electrician, utility crew, and inspector. All must agree on timing and scope. The electrician prepares approved equipment and a wiring diagram for the inspector. Utilities often require meter sockets, seals, and labeled circuits. Make sure the utility de-energizes or supervises meter work. This avoids live tapping. During the operation, enforce lockout/tagout procedures, use appropriate PPE, and keep bystanders clear. Once done, the inspector will verify compliance before power is restored. You complete by getting the final inspection and written approval from the utility. Do not energize circuits without that sign-off. Make sure all seals are intact, labels match the approved plan, and the electrician provides a completion certificate. Keep copies of permits, receipts, inspection reports, and the electrician's invoice for future reference. If something goes wrong, tripping breakers, unusual heat, or failed inspection, call the utility immediately. Then have your licensed electrician diagnose and correct the issue under permit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.